This video will show the proper way to install a Salvajor 8250 or 7550 adapter. Note, a flathead screwdriver will be needed to tighten the adapter hardware and disposer clamp. Begin by loosening the top clamp on the disposer and inserting the adapter into the disposer, then retighten the top clamp. Slide the adapter and disposer assembly up and over the cone or sink flange, then tighten the adapter clamp. Note, a disposer support leg is required when using the 8250 or 7550 adapters. For additional questions, contact Salvajor Service Department. For notifications on new content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Salvajor.